Hi YouTube and welcome back to my channel. This is a new knife video. Today I'm really excited as I will unbox and review this knife, the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 Tanto blade Chinese clone. This is the parcel I just received from AliExpress. First of all, let me tell you I really like the original knife. But I don't want to spend $250 for a pocket knife. It's way too much for my wallet. Browsing on knives in AliExpress, I found this Chinese clone for $18. That is a good price for me. In the AD pictures it looks identical to the real one, but the images can actually be of the original Para 2. So I'm definitely not so sure about my purchase. Now let's unbox it and see if I just throw a little money in the trash or not. Inside the first one there is a second bubble envelope. Good package. Here we are. The box is perfect and not damaged at all. Moreover, it seems an original Spyderco box, black and red with all the logos and writings in the right place. In the box, here it is, the knife in its transparent blister. This is a document addressed to customers, but is about the TI-MI, the military with titanium scales. They messed up something at the packaging. Here it is. Wow, it seems a beauty. This knife seems an authentic Spyderco. The blade is perfectly centered . The opening is super smooth. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable. The micarta is fantastic. It has the perfect grip. And the screws have no bores or imperfections. At the end of the video I will test its sharpness. Stay with me. The locking system works great and secures the blade solidly. Let me check the overall length. It is slightly over 21 centimeters, 8.3 inches. You can find all the other specifications in the description. Really a beautiful knife. Once locked open, the blade has no play in any direction. The scales are made of G10 or micarta. They have good grip, not too much and not too little. The pocket clip can be screwed in 4 different positions. When holding the knife, you can feel it in your palm, but it is not uncomfortable. It is quite strong and springy. Now let's take a look at some details and important components of this knife. It is compound ground with a hollow grind on the primary cutting edge and a flat grind on the tip. In my opinion, this is a great feature for a Tanto, because the knife is very sharp, but the tip is extremely taut. The compression lock is very secure and easy to operate. The G10 scales are fine textured very well and have the perfect grip. They are a masterpiece. Look at the excellent centering of the blade. Terrific. The Spyderco bug and the writings etched on the blade seems identical to the original ones. The bug is punched clearly and deeply on the clip. The blade is definitely well blued. Clearly it is black oxide and not paint. Now let's try its edge out of the box. Not bad. Not bad at all. Considering the blade is almost 4 mm, 0.14 inches thick, this knife is very well sharpened. Even if I will probably strop the edge with leather and abrasive paste to further increase its cutting performance. And now I want to try the tip for sharpness and penetration. I love the sound of a well-sharpened knife cutting a sheet of paper. The tip is razor sharp and very well pointed too. I'm really impressed by this clone. I can't see any defect at all. It's the best clone I've ever seen. Every single part of this knife screams high quality to me. Be sure to check also my other knives videos. I let the links in the description. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. It is totally free and is the best way to support the channel. Thank you for watching.